How to recover disabled Instagram account. Well, hello everyone, it's me Lana from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your Instagram account, but you land on the interface where it says that your account has been disabled. So the reason might be that you have done some activities against the community guidelines of Instagram. But if it's not the case and your account has been disabled mistakenly, then you might be able to recover your Instagram account. So let's see how you can do it. First of all, open any web browser. In the source bar, search for Recover Instagram Account. Scroll down and head over to this site, Disable Instagram Account. It will land you on this page. Now tap on Visit this page. You need to state the reason why you can't get into your account. Tap on My account was hacked, and then tap on Next. Now right here you can enter your username, phone number or your email address and they will find your account, and then you can submit an appeal to recover your Instagram account and then you'll be good to go. So there are some other options too. First of all, go back to your previous page and scroll down and you'll get to see was this helpful. Tap on No. Click on Other. Right here you need to report some information about your account and then they will analyze and try to recover your account. So this is it, and these are some ways to recover your Instagram account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.